If you've ever wanted to change the size of your header in WordPress, but haven't found an easy slider or simple setting for it in your theme, then this step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly how to do it, using a universal method that works for any theme. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to confidently adjust your header's height, giving your site that polished, professional look you want, all without needing advanced coding skills. Let's get started right away. Sometimes, WordPress themes just don't offer a built-in slider or control to adjust the header size. If that's your situation, you can still make the change manually by adding a bit of custom CSS code. Don't worry if that sounds intimidating. I'll explain each part so it makes sense even if you've never worked with CSS before. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. From here, look on the left sidebar for Appearance. Click on that and select Customize. This brings you to the Theme Customizer, where you can change how your site looks without affecting any of your content. Now, within the Customizer menu, scroll all the way down until you see Additional CSS. This is the area where you can safely place your own custom code to override or tweak your theme's normal settings. Once you're in Additional CSS, you're ready to paste the special code. Just copy the following and paste it into the box. Site header. Padding top 20px important, padding bottom 20px important, min height 80px. Let's slow down here for a second and break down what this code actually does. The site header part in front is a CSS class. It targets the part of your website that contains the header. Depending on your theme, this class name might be slightly different, so if you notice that your changes aren't showing, try inspecting your header with your browser's developer tools to find the exact class name. It's like finding the correct label on a drawer before you change what's inside. Now, within those curly brackets, each line tells your browser how much space your header should have. Padding top and padding bottom add space above and below your header content. Setting those to 20 pixels gives your header a bit of breathing room, making it look less cramped. The important part: make sure these settings take priority, even if your theme has its own defaults. And min height 80px guarantees that your header won't shrink below a certain size, no matter what content you have in it. Take a moment here. This part might take a few seconds to paste, and sometimes you need a little patience to get it just right. If you don't see changes immediately, double-check the class name as I mentioned earlier. It's totally normal for different themes to use something like header or main header, so don't worry if you need to tweak that first line a little. Once you're happy with how things look in the preview, it's time to make it official. Click Publish at the top of the Customizer panel to save your changes. This will apply the new header size to your whole site right away. If you change your mind later, you can always come back and adjust the numbers until the header fits just how you want. That's it, you've successfully adjusted your WordPress header size using custom CSS. This small tweak can make a big impact on your site's appearance, helping you stand out and feel more in control of your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about WordPress, CSS, or anything else, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. For more easy-to-follow web tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.